Hey y'all, welcome to Nicola Designs. I'm going to do a alcohol ink drip tray. I'm going to try the style that Mixed Media Girl does, where you do the alcohol ink drips and lines and then you pour the clear and it expands and brings all the colors together. Looks gorgeous. I'm also going to attempt to make another bowl. I've done bowls in the past. It's been probably a year since I've tried one, so we're going to see. You just have to catch the timing right on when to stick it in the shaping bowl. I'm going to use Let's Resin Alcohol Ink 64 piece, which has the metallic and the pastel in it. I've picked out my colors over here on the side. I'm going to try to do, I think, yellow and gold in the middle. So, and I have one metallic. I'm nervous about metallics now. So I think she goes from that end and tries to do a line. So I'm gonna try this. I've never done it. Oop. I've done alcohol ink drips. I've never just done the lines or anything. She's so good at it. And let's see, that one was peach red. We're gonna do some cerulean. Trying to do lines. So I'm gonna speed you up while I put all these colors on here. Am I missing a line? Oh, I guess I'm going to call out the colors to you really quick as I go through. This one's raspberry. Put that on each side of this. Uh-oh, got some in the middle. I don't think it's going to matter. Okay, next one is, let's do a dandelion yellow, and I'm just going to kind of pick some places to put it in. I think it'll help tie it into the middle. And usually yellow kind of disappears really quickly, so hopefully it'll hold together in this. I never know which yellows actually disappear. Sometimes they are really good and sometimes they disappear. Like I said, this one's dandelion yellow, which I know is a darker yellow. Okay, and let's get some blues in here, or some, purple. We don't have purple. Dark indigo. You know, I'm going to put the dark indigo at the tips. Why not? Just something different. Oop, I didn't mean to go that far in. And I mixed up 12 ounces. 12 ounces of resin, and I'm using the Let's Resin casting resin. And what other color? I need a blue. Oh, there we go, azure blue. And I'm just going to kind of find some places to put this in. And then we're going to pour. Actually, I got to do the middle. That's a pretty blue, isn't it? All right. Okay, let's see. I have a couple. Oh, I need one more. Sorry, red, purplish red. This is a metallic, which I've opened, but it's clogged up. So that's good to know that it clogs easy. Oop. You know, I'm going to put this at the top with this other colors. I'm going to put it up here. So maybe it'll pull in. With the resin, we'll see. Okay, now I'm going to do the middle. I'm going to put yellow directly in the middle, and then I'm going to put gold. Let me shake it up really quick, and hopefully these will show up. I feel like I need something in between there. Let's do the aquamarine, just a little bit. All right, okay, and then you take your resin and you pour it really slowly in the middle and let it fan out. Pretty. And it should, and I don't want to fill it up all the way, I want to fill it up 2/3 of the way. Hopefully I guessed right on the amount because I don't remember how much this mold holds. think I'm going to be about perfect. Let me see where it's at before I keep pouring. I'm gonna pour a little bit more because I want it a little bit higher. But you don't want it full because it's hard to shape the bowl, and the bowl can crack if it's too thick when you shape it. Isn't that pretty? Ooh, I like it. Okay, so I'm gonna actually leave the camera running for just a little bit and see if that pulls in. I don't know if those colors will pull in. I think they do. Otherwise, sorry about the loud door slam. It wasn't door slam, but it was louder than usual. I forgot what I was going to say now. I'm going to wait about 6 hours and then I'll be back. All right, see you guys soon. Okay, you guys, we're back. I'm in love with this. I think this is so pretty. I kept staring at it. I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. I think it's ready. I've kind of messed up these edges a little bit, kept trying to see if it was ready. So I started looking at 5 hours. It is now hour 9. So it depends on where you live, the weather, the humidity, and a bunch of other things. So you just got to keep checking. As long as you can't leave fingerprints, that's one of the keys. And then being able to pull it off the mold. So hopefully it's good because it's so bendy, it just freaks you out. So hopefully I'm getting it out at the right time. And I'm hoping actually also my bowls that I have chosen are going to be right. One of them seems like it might be too little and the other one looks like it might be too big. So we're going to see. I have some backup bowls, but they have things on the bottom and I don't want it to pick up any words. I found that out one time. If you do a bowl and there's words on the bottom of the bowl, it picks it up. You get that impression, of course. Okay, so I'm trying to do this very carefully. I don't want to mess anything up because I think it's so pretty. What do you guys think? I think it's gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to demold this. I'm going to speed you up really quick while I do this. So I just got to do it carefully and slowly. All right, see you in a sec. Alrighty. Oh, isn't it beautiful? I love it. I love it. Okay. So when you do these, you can always look at both sides to see which side you like better. I'm going to try to avoid the side that I was messing up while I kept checking it. We're going to try this bowl first. Like I said, I think this one's going to be too small. I don't know. It might be just about right. And hopefully I can bend it enough to get it out of here when it's time to get it out of here. I'm trying to put that circle in the middle. And I'm going to have to, just a little bit, I'm going to have to manipulate the edges so that I get these, where do I want it to bend? In the middle or here? I think I want it to bend on these little corners here. I think that's where it's going to be the prettiest, I think. Yay! I think we got it, y'all. Oh, it's so pretty. Can't wait to see it out in the sun. Okay. Do we got it? That one's sticking out, sticking out, sticking out. Now when you put it in a bowl, you sometimes if you have to, you can put a weight down. This is going to stay down. It's not going to pop out. Hopefully these don't droop. That's what I was worried about, it being too little of a bowl. This other one though is so big that I wouldn't get any kind of curve because it's huge. So, okay, hopefully, like I said, hopefully these don't fall. I almost want to put something to stabilize them. I might just keep checking on them. And I have these is where I'm going to go through really quick and check them. It's going to be so pretty. I'm excited about it, y'all. I get excited about these projects. All right, so I'm just going to keep checking on it every once in a while. Make sure that everything stays in place. All right, and then I will see you guys. I'll pull it out of the bowl, and then I'll show you out in the sun. All right, thanks for watching. Hey guys, we're back. It's been overnight and this should be good to pull out of here. It's still a little bendy, so I'll probably let it sit up just a little bit longer. One thing I wanted to mention, you can put mold release on these into the bowl before you put it in there because it kind of sticks. And I'll show you something in 1 second if I can get this out. Yay! Isn't it beautiful? Something stuck, came off. Look how pretty it is. I'll take it out in the sun. One thing I was going to mention is like this kind of bowl, you know how that has no give? It's that melamine or whatever they call it. There's no give to it. So if this was taller, it'd be really hard to get this out. The best kind, when you're looking for bowls, the best kind that you can get are these kind because they pop out. So this one I don't like because of this circle. It will take that impression and put it in here. So just letting you know what kind of bowls to kind of look for if you want to shape a tray into a bowl. But I think it came out beautiful. What do you think? It's one of my favorites. So I'll take it out in the sun and let you guys see it. And like I said, I'll probably let it sit out a little bit longer. It is a little bit of I'm having trouble connecting to the internet. Okay, sorry about that. My Alexa just went nuts. We had lost power for a little while. Anyway, I am going to stick it back in the bowl because it is still a little bit bendy and I don't want it to lose its shape. But it was ready to pull out. I think it came out spectacular. What do you guys think? All right, thanks for watching.